So let me continue with why, and let me explain my initial reasons why I created this course and how it came to be. I initially created this course for two main reasons. The first main reason is to train my own staff. In my agency, we currently hire anywhere from 3 to 5 new staff members every year. And it's not necessarily because we have a high turnover problem, but because staff will always come and go for whatever reason. And we want to grow our team too. We used to hire even more. We used to hire 7 to 10 new people every year. But we've gotten much better at hiring and better at being selective with new candidates and hiring for what you cannot train, which is another concept we teach in the course, in the staffing course. But regardless, in order to continue to grow our team, even to continue to maintain our current number of staff, we must continuously hire new staff. We must always be hiring. Another thing we train. But probably the biggest downside to always hiring new staff is the massive amount of time and effort needed to continually train every new staff member. And this is probably one of the main reasons why many agents don't want to hire more staff, because of the dreaded constant training involved with hiring new people. I know I'm one of them. I've realized at some times that I don't want to hire because I don't want to train. It's just a beating.
You've actually said that before in a couple trainings,
Yes,
which is, I think, what prompted the official launch of the process of
that
starting a agency
that's
training.
right. But well, you know me, Shelley. I'm like you. We don't beat around the bush. I'm going to tell it to you straight,
Absolutely.
right?
Hmm.
So with hiring 3 to 5 new staff and employees every new year, that's a lot of training. It's a lot of time and effort to train. And of course, the training process and the training time and effort repeats over and over again with every new team member. And I got sick of saying the same things and training the same concepts over and over again. Like I said, it can be a downright beating. So I got so tired of training, I realized it wasn't an efficient use of my time. So to solve this repetitive problem, my first thought was to find an online type of training course that could effectively train my new staff members, or at the very least, train the basics of insurance and the basics of the agency process. So even myself and an agent with my size was looking for an adequate training course to train my own staff. So I looked around and I tried to find a training course that could help me, that could train even the basics of insurance, the basic policy coverages, marketing, how to make marketing calls, what to say, how to speak on the phone, how to use or fill out a quote sheet. And I thought maybe I could even find a training system to train the hardest position to train within the agency, which is sales.